It is hoped that these short videos will encourage businesses to use more Irish in their signage and services to customers. While there is no one-size-fits-all in business, these videos show that what works for one business will often work for others, and that what can be termed best practice already exists. We encourage businesses to look at what has already been done and to see where they can follow that best practice. Businesses can play a part in increasing the visibility of Irish and benefiting from that, just as the businesses in these videos have done.
Ayr Square Shopping Centre is located in the heart of Galway City Centre. We've always used some form of Gaeilge in the centre, but in the last couple of years we have started to incorporate it completely into the centre. So for us, in our common areas in the malls, we have made all our signs bilingual. The tenants themselves have seen a benefit. We have a newsagents downstairs on the ground floor, Excel, and they've just done a full revamp, and they have put all external signage up in both English and Irish, so it's bilingual signage. But the amount of customers coming into them, actually speaking to them in Irish and actually delighted to see the language visible to them. So for them, they're actually probably getting more customers coming into them now because of being able to visually see it as well.
The Irish language has been good for business here. We have found it very good. What we try and do as well is we have a couple of lines on the checkout, as in gee, which, or the various Irish phrases, and we try and get the staff on checkout to speak them and add them into their daily language on the checkout with our customers. Since we put the signs in, we would notice more customers in the shop speaking Irish, especially in our cafe. A lot of the parents would meet in the cafe, after dropping off their kids in school in the morning. So you would hear a lot more Gaeilge spoken in the cafe. I would recommend the other stores to use the Irish language with their staff and in their stores. I think it would be a great addition to the shop.
Támuid anseo ag an mór leopards. Is as an Físeán Agus an rúsáid.
Oh, féidir!
We have some tour guides that are fluent in Irish, and the Irish language is definitely helping business. It's a big part. I mean, we have schools that only come here because they can have Irish tour guides. Irish identity, and indeed the Irish language, is a very important part of the business as well. Cuchulainn is, of course, the name of the roller coaster. We wanted to do that because, of course, we're Ireland's only theme park. People see us as Irish and be more unique in that respect, particularly for visitors that might come from outside of the country. We wanted an Irish name. All the future experiences that we are going to do, because of the good feedback and positive success that we've had, is going to have more Irish involved in it, because it's been great so far, and I think it's certainly a positive to the business.
These examples of using Irish in business can be used anywhere in Ireland, and support for those who want to use Irish in business is available. Glór nGael looks forward to working with businesses who wish to make the change. For further information, visit glórnagael.ie, forestnagaeilge.ie, or olas@glórnagael.ie.